Thank you. Another day, another blessing. Because I know. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm trying to show you guys a little bit of the kitchen where the recipes are coming from. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and thank you if today is your first time here. Thank you for stopping by. Please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification button below so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Yeah, on today's video, what are we going to do? Today we are going to make gateau. Gateau is a snack in Cameroon. While I was growing up in Cameroon, where we are going to school, and they don't buy us gateau, the way our face will be like that day, it's almost like that day is not going to be a good day. But by the time they give you money, say take and buy gateau. Did you see how I was dancing at the beginning of this video? This is how we dance when they give us money to go and buy gateau. So you can eat gateau as snacks, you can eat it for breakfast, you can make it when you have visitors. Right now, the one that I'm going to make, I'm just going to make and keep it in the freezer. You can also keep it in the freezer, and when you have some visitors, you can just remove it, put it in the oven, let it warm, serve it with some chicken or some soya sticks, yeah, and some pepper. Yeah, some pepper. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you want to know how I make my gateau or how I make this delicious Cameroonian gateau, please stay tuned till the end. I'm just going to, it's very simple. It's a very simple recipe. It doesn't require too much ingredients or too many ingredients. Yes. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients and we're all going to mix it together. So let's get into the making of the gateau. So guys, to the ingredients for this gateau that we are going to be making today, first thing we'll be needing flour. I'm using 1 kilogram of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 sachets of powder yeast. Each of them is 7 grams, so I'm using 2 sachets. I'm using half cup of sugar. I don't like it when the sugar is too sweet in the gateau, so it all depends on you. You can either add it or you can also reduce it if you're someone who doesn't eat sugar too much. And I'll be using 3 eggs. The other 2 are there. 3 eggs. A cup of warm milk, lukewarm, not really hot, but just lukewarm. I also have a cup of lukewarm water in case the milk is not enough. And I'll also be needing some salt. I'm not going to put all this salt. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. Basically 1.5. 1 and then small dash. Then I'm going to put a bit of non-milk powder. Look, this is just for flavor and this is optional. But all these other things here, you need them for your gateau This one is optional. I like to put it even in my pop-off. It gives it a nice flavor. So now that we have all our ingredients, we want to start mixing. So to mix, we'll be needing a bowl. Just going to put the bowl there, and how did they say it in English? A Rix. In German they say Schwingbessen. Help me, English people. Yeah. Is it a Rixer? I don't know. So first thing, I'm going to put my warm milk inside the bowl. Secondly, I'm going to put the yeast inside. The sugar, then the salt. As I said, I put 1.5 teaspoon here. Next, I will add my butter. You don't want to leave anything out. I'm always putting everything, like everything. Next, I'm going to crack my eggs inside. And then my non-milk. So I'm not actually putting too much of the non-milk because it's for flavor, but like I said, it's optional. Then you're just going to mix all this together. So after mixing everything together, I'm going to put our flour inside. I start to mix this with my hands. My hands are washed already. I'm just going to mix with my hands so it can mix very well. So I'm going to mix first. As you can see, I haven't put any water. So I'm first going to mix and see how the texture looks like before I will add water. If you want to mix, I will advise you to look for a more open bowl than mine so that you can have enough space to mix. At this point, I'm going to add a bit of water inside because I can already tell that it needs a bit of water. So the milk is not enough for it. So I also don't want to add too much. So let's say I added half cup of water because this was full and this is 1 cup. So I added half cup of water inside. And I'm going to mix this now until everything is well combined. So guys, after mixing everything, this is how the texture looks like. Can you see that? So So this is how it looks like, the texture. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to take a tray, and I'm going to cut this into small pieces and then let it rise. This is my tray. I'm using the oven tray because then I have enough space, and I'm also going to put a bit of flour on my hand because so that it shouldn't stick. And I'm just going to wrap it like this in small pieces and then stand it there. So I'm going to continue like that with all of them. In order not to make this video too long, I'm going to show you guys when I'm done. So guys, I'm done, and this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to cover it for 1 hour, and even 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm just going to cover it. So I'm going to try to make sure that the foil paper is just hanging. Note, you can also use just a cloth to cover it. I like to do it like this because the foil paper also gives it heat and makes it rise quickly. And I'm just going to let it stay there for 1 hour 30 minutes. So guys, now the time is 2:37, so by 3:40 our gâteau should be ready to be fried. Now I'm just going to do my shopping. I need just 1 hour to do my shopping, and then I'll be back. See you. So guys, we are back, and look at how our gâteau looks like. It's been about 1 hour 30 minutes because, like I said, I was going shopping, so I left it here. And this is how it looks like. So right now it is just ready to fry. Yes, it's ready to fry. We're just going to take one by each. Oh, the texture, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, so nice. So yeah, we're just going to prepare the pot to fry. So guys, it's time to fry. So first of all, you can see our gâteau. Note, you don't want to fry this on a high heat. So on my cooker, my heat, the highest is 3, and I'm going to put it on 1. Yeah. When the oil is hot, you really want to put it on a low heat, because when you put it on a high heat, the gâteau will not get cooked inside, and you don't want that. So let's see. So you just want to take one after the other, and put it inside the oil. Remember, low heat. So guys, you can see how our gâteau is, frying and getting brown gradually. Now, if the oil is too hot, you will see that it will not be like this. It will get burned. I will show you. This is what I'm talking about. When the oil is too hot, immediately you put it, it looks like this. It gets brown within seconds, and it doesn't get cooked inside. So you can see. Can you see? So when the oil is too hot, this is how it will be. You see that your dough isn't cooked very well. That is why it's very important to make sure that the oil is not too hot. Otherwise, you just be frying, and then later on you realize that your gâteau is not cooked in the middle. But when it is frying like this, when it is getting brown gradually, then you really know that, yeah, your gâteau definitely is cooked in the middle, is cooked inside. So low heat please, for a better result. So guys, you want to fry until it is golden brown. Now my gâteau is ready and I'm just going to remove it. And I'm going to repeat the process until everything is fried. They actually look big. Probably maybe you want to cut it in smaller sizes so that, because when they get into the oil, they rise again. So maybe you want to cut it into smaller sizes, not as huge as mine. But actually this is how they used to sell it in Cameroon, this size like this, and one for 25 francs with pepper. So guys, you can see our gâteau is all ready. Wow, look at that. You see, when your gâteau is like this, in fact your gâteau gets, forget this head. This is how it looks like. So let me just open one so that you can see the texture. Ooh, can you see? Well cooked. This is how it looks like. Well fried. Look at it. Well fried, as in when you eat this with pepper. So like I said, low heat, good appetite. You can eat it with pepper because we usually eat it with pepper in Cameroon. So enjoy. So thank you very much if you've been watching till this end. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for tuning in once again. And please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and leave a comment below how probably you make yours and how you eat yours, either with pepper or just like that, or with beans, because some people also eat it with beans. Once again, thank you for watching till this point. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.